Well, we have a treat today, as always, when we have Mary Zolli on from the Theater Guild, but she's brought a guest today, John Kelsall, who is one of the actors in the upcoming play this weekend, Love, Lies, and the Doctor's Dilemma. Now, I'll welcome both of you right now, but before we get into the play, we're going to go ahead and show a clip right now that actually is an introduction to the play by the director. So we'll go ahead and we'll start that right now.
Hi, I'm Carol Shallon, and I'm directing the upcoming Theater Guild production of Love, Lies, and the Doctor's Dilemma. It's a wonderful comedic farce by the same author who wrote Who's in Bed with the Butler. Do come and give yourself a treat with this wonderful, wacky comedy.
When I was quite young, I thought I wanted a career in law enforcement. And guess what? I got into the police academy, but it didn't work out too well. There was a teensy little problem with the paper that I had to write. Please.
It wasn't fast women that got me in trouble. It was slow horses. But I got a plan.
Happy birthday, Joan. What are you doing on the couch in the middle of the day? And who is this man? Oh, poor Joan.
Okay, so we've got John here and Mary to tell us how much fun this is. So when we were watching that, you had some comments about the actors. Tell me about it.
No, I can't do that.
Well, yes, you can.
No, I have to go back and work with them. No, we've had a tremendous amount of fun doing this. We were all saying, and we've all done plays together before, and we said we've laughed more doing this play than we have in any other ones. And I was telling Mary that one of our wonderful very, very accomplished actresses was laughing so hard I thought I had to go get the paramedics because she could hardly breathe. But it's a screwball comedy. And there's 6 actors, 3 men, 3 women. And Love, Lies, and the Doctor's Dilemma kind of describes it because there's love involved, there's lies involved, and there's the Doctor's Dilemma, and it's almost like a Chinese fire drill where we're doing all kinds of stuff.
All right.
At the same time, but we're having a lot of fun doing it. It should generate a lot of endorphins when people come to watch and laugh. And I was mentioning that when that one with Artie there, when he finally comes out in one of his costumes at the end of Act 1, if you don't lose it, there's something wrong, because we've seen him every single time and we still bust out laughing when we see him coming on. It's great.
Now who do you play in the play?
Oh boy, should I give that away?
Who do you play in the play? Yeah.
Actually, I'm tripolar. I've got 3 different titles.
Oh.
That I have, and it's a lot of fun because my lover Joan keeps throwing these things out, and you know, I come back. I do. What? And you kind of have to go with them because there's a mobster involved, there's Joan's brother, there's Joan, who's the lover, and we've got a potting shed that has pot in it.
Well, wait, let's back up, because you're not telling us exactly who your character is, because I had a description and I was going to let you give it. So why don't you tell me, because you're a marijuana what? Psychiatrist?
Well, I'm a gardener.
A gardener?
Yes, I'm Joan's lover. And I'm a psychiatrist.
Oh, well, okay, all of the above.
So what do you think?
Sounds kind of chaotic,
it's
actually,
very
right?
It's a lot
chaotic.
Of fun.
All right, well, good. Well, this isn't the only play you've been in, right?
No.
And how many others have you been in?
Ooh, a bunch of other ones here that it's been a lot of fun doing it with a lot of great people in the village and making a lot of wonderful friendships. So anybody that's nervous about coming and doing a play or participating in a play, either backstage or getting up on stage to do it, come on. We have a lot of fun. You get a lot of support, and you meet some wonderful, wonderful people.
Well, we had everybody on about a month or so ago when we were talking about auditions. So I assume you went through the audition process.
Yeah, and I failed. They said yes to me. So.
You're right. So, Mary, what do you think about the play?
I read the script, but it was quite a while ago, and so I'm really looking forward to see all the work that I've heard about them doing, how it's going to look on opening night Friday.
Right, so it's this weekend. It's Friday night and Saturday night at 7 p.m., right? And then Sunday at 2 o'clock, I think, right? And tickets are still available.
Yes.
Right? Okay. All right, excellent. And then that's Love, Lies, and the Doctor's Dilemma. And as you guys all say, a screwball comedy.
Screwball comedy.
And how long is it? About 2 hours?
Just under.
Just under 2 hours? Okay.
It's not too long. But I need to warn everybody, a lot of people will leave at intermission.
Oh.
Don't. You'll miss the best part. So.
Oh.
People are not going to leave at intermission. There is a GRF bar Friday and Saturday.
So
so that'll add to the merriment.
Oh, so wait, there's a GRF bar.
Yes.
Okay, well, they're just going to get up to get a drink and then come back,
Exactly.
right?
And then come back and enjoy the rest of the show, which
All
is
right.
really good.
Well, perfect. Well, thanks for the introduction.
Sure.
And Mary, what else is going on?
What else is going on is next Thursday at our members meeting, we are having a great barbecue by Martinez.
Okay.
Tons of salads, meats, vegan also. So we're looking forward to that. And then we're going to play. We're going to play Conversations in Cars,
Right.
which I'm still telling people they can participate. And what that involves is picking a song that you like. I went to my first rehearsal this week for it. And we have a great group of girls.
Okay.
So we're going to be in the car singing this ABBA song.
Okay.
I'm not going to say which one. And so we were laughing our head off, coming up with scenarios that would show off the song. So I can't tell you everything, but I can tell you that it involves a date with a sexy bachelor.
Oh, boy.
Can't say who that is yet, but come next Thursday.
All right.
Still inviting people to participate, and you do need to send in your $5 if you're a member, $10 if you're a guest,
Okay.
so that we can get the food count. But really looking forward to the meeting.
And that's next Thursday, right?
Next Thursday.
Okay.
Doors open at 6 and the food starts at 6:30.
And where will that be again?
Clubhouse 7.
Clubhouse 7. Perfect. All right. Well, thank you both. Good luck this weekend.
Thank you.
Sounds like it's going to be.
You're coming, right?
Well, I just might try. All right. Thank you both.
Thank you, Lisa.
All right. So don't forget that Love, Lies, and the Doctor's Dilemma is this weekend starting on Friday. So get your tickets. And then right after this commercial break, we're going to come back and take you behind the scenes at the Pageant of the Masters down on Laguna Beach. Stay tuned.